In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a square picture round here on Canva. So I have this picture just here. Now to make this round, we're going to utilize Canva frames. So what we want to do is come up to elements just here. Then we want to scroll all the way down to where we see these frames just here. And we can choose this circle. Now we can click on see all as well, and you're going to see so many different types of frames. But nonetheless, we then want to just take our picture that we want to make round and drag it into the frame just like that. Now there's another way to do this as well, so let's just go ahead and delete that and come back to elements just here, because if you have a picture in a folder or over here on the left hand side, we can simply just drag that picture all the way into the frame just like that. Now if the picture doesn't quite look right, we can double click on that and then we can adjust to however we want. Then we can click done. We can also add borders to this as well by coming to border styles just here, choosing one that we like, changing the weight, and we can also change the color as well. But nonetheless, that's how simple it is to make a square picture round here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.